Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Randall and Murphy here. Today is Tuesday, August the 9th, 2022 AD. And I have a laminator. Okay, it's pretty simple. Where's the switch at? I say that, did I? Oh, I forgot this is the one. I'm losing it. Power on. Got cold lamination, up to 80 mics of lamination, depending on how thick your lamination sheets are, which is what I use most of the time. 125 is use the thicker ones. I use the standard 3mm size, so I usually just go with that. It says it takes 3 to 5 minutes to warm up. It definitely takes 5 minutes for this thing to warm up, at least. But once you warm it up and it's going, it does a really good job. It's not the fastest machine, to say the least, to laminate, but it does a good job. The cord isn't quite as long as I wish the cord was a little bit longer. Just for me personally, I mean, there's nothing wrong with the cord, obviously. It's just, if it was longer, it would help out. Now, it does open up here. And it comes with, on the inside here, see I've already written my call sign on there, so people know who it is. But you can measure and cut your laminations with it. Now it comes with these 3 rings. I have no idea what these are for. The only thing I can possibly think of is if you punch holes in it and you want to put them together. I guess, but it doesn't make sense why it would come. I have no idea. It's also got a hole here, 2 holes here. One is for the lamination rounder. If you get lamination sheets that are like straight edge and you want to round the corners, put them in here, click it, boom. Now, what I like about this particular laminator is it has a place to keep this, which is really nice. So you can, when you're not using it, put it in there and store it. This is the first laminator that I've seen that does that. It's very nice. It's a nice feature. It's also got a built-in, if I can get it out here, little hole puncher thing here. It punches 1 hole, which I assume is what those rings are for. And I don't really use this, but if you just need to punch 1 hole, that's what you do. So again, when you're done, you put your 3 rings back in your thing, put your measuring and cutting thing back in the thing, push it up. Now it doesn't there's no locking mechanism, and this is portable, obviously. But overall, it's a nice machine. It's not the fastest. The cord, in my opinion, needs to be a little bit longer. It's got those rings, which I don't even know if they're really, in all seriousness, nobody's going to use them, more than likely. But it does a very good job of laminating. Now, every once in a while, I've used this a couple times now. Turned it on, done it, turned it off, turned it back on, used it. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes, the first one you run through, the first lamination you run through, might be a little iffy. So if you just turned it on and you're worried about your first lamination, I might run one through it that's not important and then start doing the ones that are important. Just a little hint. But aside from that, very good. So just be. All I'm saying is, if you have something very important and you just turned it on and it's the first one you're going to laminate, you might seriously consider just, getting a spare one and running it through first to make sure everything's good. And then after that one comes out really good, start doing your real work. But aside from that, very nice, very well. And like I said, I've done more than a few pages through this now. And the results, again, with the exception of the first one, once or twice, very, very good. So, it's not perfect, it's not super fast, but it's portable, and overall, it's pretty good. So until next time, I'm Randall M. Bruce, saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.